approximately at around 2 a.m.
The Meghalaya Traditional Healing Clinic, which is managed by the Bhoi Traditional Healers Association (RBTHA) in Paham's Aim, Bhoi district, was inaugurated last year. It is the first traditional healing clinic in the state. The building of the clinic has been funded by the government through the Bioresource Development Centre and Medical Herbs of the MBDA. Here is a report.
The clinic aims to strengthen the traditional healing system by promoting ancient therapy. While speaking to DD News, Jasper D. Mani, president of RBTHA, said that in this organization there are 4 members practicing traditional method for different ailments and diseases like pregnancy and childbirth, sprain and fractures, traditional massage, and others. He also said that the government has provided them training on how to make medicines and how to pack them.
Kita akan tebik kapan semat sama ibu yang hukum inong adwai inong ham inong semat kreasing inong kakun idon sahabat apa aja mereka tim kecuni ni penyai yang kena klinik kebut bah dan habut ketum ikendon juga kasih kalah tak sini kumno bangin lum jengkeng kumno bangin cok kumno berpom ban piking duai buat kumno berpom ke ban sinar duai di ini keduai ni hawat akrau bat don ketu kene ke bangila bentung ke ber ke pra ke kha ke sai ni.
These traditional medicines can be found in the forest, and some they have to plant them in the garden, especially those who are extinct. Ellington's Aim General Secretary RBTHA informed that some of the disease which could not be treated in the hospital, they treat it in this clinic. He further said that they have also collaborated with different departments of the government to fight against TB, HIV, and other diseases. He also said that from last year till date, there are around 8,000 patients who visited the clinic.
Bangilai don bantaro na kaliangga department, kumki jingpang TB, bangila banya trelang, mta ke HIV, bangila banya trelang. Kumjuru jingpang kisyo ke kiwewe jingpang ke bangi hab itrelang dai tang na kalian government ro bakal ai thu ingi ma bangilit pentang sim siapo delhi ro ni presentation jakan kalian gari boy ni lai jingkren te man mentang nang ya tang ko ba sistem tam ni ba kiwewe kinang plus mo manu panai ni sibuk hakashi panai ni yo katang si panai kata ni sistem ni khamiar mo kat kumu jingken yo kumbandu hajari
The healers have appreciated the government for giving them training in various districts and helped them to be more skilled at their work. They have also urged the government to further help them in providing facility like rooms and beds. This will help them to